So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And we have got few of the referral job opportunities also wherein you can apply. So first is Security Board is looking for QA manual testing interns, and it's a walk-in drive that would be there on 14th of August 2025. Timings would be 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eligibility is passed out year of 2023, 24, 25, and type is internship. It would be 6 months duration. So they are looking for technical background, BT, BTech, MCA, or similar. Someone has completed this, so they can go for the walk-in directly. So this is a walk-in drive, and you can search this company on the Google as well, and you would come to know about the details. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer having 2+ years of experience in application level manual testing with hands-on experience of SQL, experience in automation API will be good to have, and you can share your resume at this email address. Bluethink is hiring for freshers and the position is junior software engineer. Location is Noida, Sector 2. Work mode is work from office. As I told you, it's fully for freshers. And these are the job responsibilities. Someone who can assist in designing, developing software applications and implement solutions, and who can apply. So freshers with a background in BTech, BCA, MCA, or BSc IT can apply. Passion for programming and technology of and basic knowledge of C Sharp, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and OOPS concepts. You can send your CV to this particular email address. Then there are a few of the requirements in Innosito company. So they are looking for senior SDET, API automation, 6 to 9 years of experience, Bangalore location, mobile automation with Python, Hyderabad location, 5 to 6 years of experience, senior QA engineer with Playwright, 5 to 7 years of experience, then Workday QA tester, 3 to 4 years of experience, Hyderabad location, then senior Java developer, junior Java developer, senior React developer. So you can share your resume at this email address. Then there is an immediate joiner prefer requirement for QA, and the company name is also provided. Minimum 3 to 5 years of experience is required. Location is Jaipur, working day would be 5, and you can email it to this particular location. Then there is a requirement for senior QA delivery leaders in Bangalore. They are looking for test delivery manager, test delivery head, 12 to 15 years of experience or 16+ years of experience. So this is for the senior management, or I would say the leadership kind of roles. Strong background in QA and testing, proven experience in delivering large scale end-to-end testing projects, exceptional leadership and stakeholder management skills. Location is Bangalore, again, work from office, and you can reach out to us directly with your resume at this email address. Okay. Then there's a requirement at the Airtel company. Subject line is skill, experience, notice period. So you have to share your CV with this particular subject line. And these are the email addresses where you have to share. If you are looking for an estate opportunity, you can share your CV at this email address. Then, as I was telling you for the referral email address, so this is the referral email address. So if you are looking for the job opportunities at Geo Hotstar company, so they are looking for senior assets, 4+ years of experience, and senior product managers, 4+ years of experience again, and you can share your resume to this email address. Also, the subject line for the email should be the role that you are applying for. So these are the job opportunities as well as for the freshers as well as for the experience, and we shared with you the experience and the referral job opportunities as well, so that it is easier for you to get the interview calls. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let's stay tuned for more.